Hey everybody, welcome to Mammoth Interactive's YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video. And remember that this channel doesn't do Patreon. Instead, we sell our digital courses down below. And every single dollar that we get from the products you buy below goes into making more content. The best way to help out this channel and Mammoth Interactive is to subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. Get thousands of hours and hundreds of courses for a low price down below. We have a monthly option and a yearly option. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the video.
Hey everybody, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add in the third-person character or any other content to your project here. So let's say you want to add in the third-person character to your first-person engine. Well, it's not necessarily there. Well, how do you add it in? Well, it's actually really easy. All I'm going to do is I'm going to click this Add New, and we're going to add feature or content pack. Now, all I'm going to do is just basically add in the third-person here. So I'm just going to add to project, and there we go. We get the third person BP, and I think that's pretty awesome here. Now remember that the first person is not actually a person, it's just these arms here, which is something I think Epic should change. You should basically be able to have the third person shooter template. I think there should be a third person shooter template. That's just me. Doesn't matter though. Let's go ahead, let's add in the character here, and I believe you can just simply add in this mesh here if you want to. And of course, this is just the mesh, right? Nothing too complicated there, but if you want to add in the third-person blueprint here, you can add in the third-person character just like this. Now, of course, this has a camera and everything else here, but you can see that the animations are there. So if you want to, basically, if you, for instance, want to delete that here and you want to add in an NPC character, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply duplicate this here, type in NPC, and then you can open it up and you can essentially delete everything in here, go to the viewport, and then you want to delete the camera as well. Just because, you know, if you have these extra cameras, sometimes it could cause some bugs. And bugs not necessarily having the program crash, but bugs as in the computer and the game will exhibit features you don't want. So then you can go and simply add in the NPC character here. And you can see that there's still a boom in there. So let's go camera boom. Let's delete that as well. Compile it here and you can see that there's no boom in there. Of course, that just attaches the camera to the player. Okay, and here we go. We now have a third-person character right there. And it doesn't have any collision on it, which is kind of interesting. But nevertheless, you can see it has the animations there, and it's basically something new for you there. All right. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Help this channel get monetized, and I'll see you in another video.